Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get green essence in islands. Green essence is a highly sought-after and rare material within the game, essential for crafting powerful items and advancing your progress. You'll primarily acquire it by catching specific creatures known as green spirits. These elusive spirits are found exclusively on Spirit Island, a unique location dedicated to spirit hunting. Understanding their spawn mechanics and efficient catching methods is key to successfully gathering this valuable resource. Your adventure for green essence begins by traveling to Spirit Island. First, head to the main hub area, then use the portal to reach Slime Island. From there, you'll find the entrance to Spirit Island. Before you go, make sure you have a spirit net in your inventory. It's the only tool that can capture these ethereal beings. For quicker movement across the expansive island, bringing a horse is highly recommended, saving you valuable time. To maximize your chances of finding green essence, you should catch every spirit you see on Spirit Island. This strategy helps clear the maximum number of spirits, increasing the likelihood of new, potentially green, spirits spawning. Green spirits are easily identifiable by their vibrant color, and will drop 1 unit of green essence when caught with your net. Continuously loop around the island, catching spirits as you go, to maintain a steady flow of spawns. For even greater efficiency, consider rebooting your server every 10 to 15 minutes. This action refreshes all spirit spawns, potentially yielding more green spirits. Playing on a private server is also highly advantageous, as it eliminates competition from other players who might catch spirits before you. Remember, green essence is a rare drop, so consistent effort and patience are key. 1 green essence is specifically needed to craft the powerful spirit spellbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.